Hello everyone. Today's lesson is about adjectives. Awake, asleep, proud, my brother is ill. Verbs conjugated in the past participle and present continuous are also considered as adjectives. For example, interested or interesting, bored and boring. Let's jump to comparatives and superlatives. In order to compare one thing to another or a person to another, we use comparatives. Comparatives of equality. As plus adjective plus as. The ocean is as blue as the sky. Comparatives of superiority. Susan is stronger than Emily. Short adjective plus er plus than. In case the adjectives are long, just like intelligent or expensive, we use more plus long adjective plus than. This land is more expensive than my car. Short adjectives ending with G and T get doubled. Big, bigger. Fat, fatter. Adjectives ending with the letter Y become IER. For example, happy, happier. Heavy, heavier. Superlatives of superiority. When the adjective is short, the plus adjective plus est. Bob is the tallest. When the adjective is long, the most plus adjective. This is the most boring movie in the planet. Now, comparative of inferiority. Less plus adjective plus than. This dress is less colorful than the other dress. It means that the other dress is more colorful. There are irregular adjectives. Take a look. Good, better, the best. Bad, worse, the worst. Far, farther, the farthest. Little, less, the least. Remember that these types of lessons need to be learned by heart. Last but not least, adverbs of manner. We add ly to an adjective or a noun to form them. Friend, friendly. Careful, carefully. Happy, happily. The Y changes to an I. Good, well. Bad, worse. So we have come to the end of this lesson. If you understood it, click here to move on to the next one. And if you didn't understand anything, restart the video again. See you guys next!